Hey everyone, I hope you guys are well. I just want to document a few good things that has happened in my life. I got two offers from Amazon and LinkedIn, and I just want to document this. Quickly, if you just want to see how I prepared for LinkedIn, how I reached out and everything, just jump onto this timestamp. From Amazon, I interned over there last summer, and I got a return offer from them on 13th December, and uh, during the internship, I'll tell you what all things I did. So just to make it clear, but mostly if you intern over there and you just complete the project, you'll get the return offer. This is what I've seen. I did do a lot of things to like go extra mile. Like I helped some other teams to build one of the dashboards and did a lot of stretch goals, which was kind of achievable because we have Amazon Q and everything integrated. So it was very fast. My team was also my team was really good. Even my manager was good. So it was not the hectic Amazon experience that I had. I had pretty fun time in Seattle. During November, I was putting up those agentic AI video series on LinkedIn, X, and YouTube. I was putting myself out, searching for full-time opportunities, going to hackathons, etc. So during that time, I reached out to one at LinkedIn, and he vouched for me to the hiring manager, and I think that really made the difference. So I got a call from LinkedIn, and what they did is they had the screening call around mid-November, and they just asked me my background, what all things they wanted, and just went ahead with scheduling the interviews. So I had one DSA round, which was mostly lead code tagged questions. So before that, I went to a LinkedIn event, which they called me because I was gonna give the interviews. So this event had a lot of LinkedIn employees. I connected with senior folks and also met a lot of people who were actively in the loop of the interview, and some people had completed the loop. So that helped me because I got to know a lot of resources and asked people their experiences. So got a little idea about how should I go with, like, what areas should I focus on and all. So for SD1, the system design and DS, it's a little bit tougher than what it was before, uh, based on what experience I've seen on LeetCode and Reddit and all. But my experience was it was a little tougher because I think because of AI and recent job market, like the level has increased a lot. So I so I'll start with the timeline. So around mid-November, I got my screening call. They scheduled one of the interview around 10 days after that, and during first interview was DSA, where I had a virtual call about lead code tag question. It was easy medium. Then I had full loop. Full loop contained 5 rounds. One was DSA again. Then I had system design. Then I had host manager, end-to-end project explanation, and AI coding. After this, I started preparing for system design. Initially, I started with Gaurav same, but he goes very into depth. So I just went ahead with hello interview. So in the hello interview, I read all the things and just practiced using their AI tool, which was very helpful. So I recommend using that. I got premium for it. For lead code, I checked a lot of lead code tag questions and read a lot of Reddit and like other stuff, other places where they post their interview experiences. So I just practiced all of the questions. And for host manager, I just prepared LP stories, Amazon leadership principle stories. If you prepare for the stories, I think you have a lot of things to talk about. So just do that. For end-to-end project explanation, I had few points written about my Amazon internship, and I just explained that end to end. And for AI coding, I didn't prepare at all. It was just me using Claude, which I just do every day. So that's how I just went and gave the interview. So for the lead code, I was asked two questions. One was related to, I was very similar to Core Schedule 2. I explained both DFS and BFS. Then for the second question, I had make a larger island, and it was similar to that. For for the system design, I was asked create a central logging system. This was so initially I thought I created a good design, but I was grilled by the interviewer. He asked me a lot of good questions, and I don't think I was very good at answering them. So I would rate myself like two out of five for this interview. And for host manager, I had very good conversation with the manager. So this was me mostly behavioral questions like what motivates you, etc. And I was also asked about how would you design one of the part in the LinkedIn profile page. And for end-to-end project explanation, I just explained the entire Amazon internship, like how I started with the problem, what was the problem. I just went through how we came up with the solution, how I coded the what extra miles did I achieve. I also did some hackathon stuff at Amazon, so that was also add on. So I had a lot of things to talk. That went really well. And at the end, I had this AI interview round, which was basically using Claude. So it's pretty decent. You will be able to do that. Just you need to talk loud and talk relevant stuff, of course. And that was it. So these are the rounds. All of went really well, but system design was okay. So I didn't had a lot of hope. I waited for a few days, followed up, didn't got reply because I thought I was not being considered. So I kind of gave up. Meanwhile, I got an offer from Amazon. So I started my visa process for the full time, and I was stuck over here. So I had to cancel my plans, and so I got an offer around 13 December, and my flight was on 15th December. So I was very happy with the offer, and suddenly I got a shock like, oh, I have to cancel all the plans. Uh, after a month, I got a message like I have cleared the hiring bar for LinkedIn. So that was the day I was like jumping around. I was very happy. So now still there was a process remaining uh, for team matching. So as I had time constraint, so I waited for a few days, but the role I was assigned was I was not very excited for it. So I reached out to many folks at LinkedIn whom I had connected with during that event. So that helped, and I just reached out to them, told them that I'm looking for team matching round. I've cleared everything, and instantly I got a reply back, and I was assigned to one of the team. Like I had the meeting with the manager, and everything turned out well. And they started with the offer letter process, and yeah, just got the offer, accepted it, and went to my trip. So everything aligned properly at the end. I've started at LinkedIn, and I've been enjoying the place. So yeah, this was my journey. I hope you guys like get some insight out of this. I hope folks who are out there looking for opportunities. It's a tough market, but I hope everybody gets it. And just connect with me. Throw me some questions if you have. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye.